Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator app. First of all, download the Google Authenticator app from Google Play Store. Once the app has been downloaded, click on Open. Now you will see this interface. Click on Get Started. Now you have two different options. You can either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. So I will go with the enter a setup key option now. It is asking me for my account name, your key, and the type of key. So I will give account name, any name. You can give any name, for example, my personal account. Now in the your key section, what you have to do is open your web browser, sign in with your Google account, and go to myaccount.google.com and click on security tab. Now go to the two-step verification. As you can see, two-step verification is off. I will turn on my two-step verification. I have some options. I can either add my phone number. I will go down and I will use Authenticator, add an Authenticator application. So I will click on it, set up Authenticator. As you can see, there is a QR code which I can scan, but I have skipped the QR code option. I have went for the code option instead. So I will scroll down and click on can't scan it. Now it is telling me enter your email address and this key, spaces don't matter. So what I will do, I will copy this code. Click copy. Now click on next. I will open my Google Authenticator once again, go back to Authenticator, and I will paste the key which I have just copied and click on add. Now it is giving me a code which will be used for two-factor authentication. As you can also see, there is a 30-second timer over here. Once the timer is completed, my code will be expired and it will give me a new code. Now, as you can see, the time has completed and it has expired the previous code. Now I have to long press the code and it will be copied to my clipboard. I will go back to my browser and enter the code on this section. I will click on paste and click on verify. And that's how to use Google Authenticator application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.